Okay, so we've done quite a few questions on multiplication of matrices. These are the last two questions, then we'll go to the next topic. Okay. What is this? If A square plus 3A minus 2I is null matrix, then A power 4 is some integer into matrix A and some integer into I. You have to find what are those integers. A power 5 is also some integer into A and some integer into I. You have to find them. So find integers L, M, N, and P. Another question, matrix A is 2, 4, 4, 10. Matrix C is 10, minus 4, minus 4, 2. Matrix B is not given, but it is some 2 by 2 matrix. And it is also, we have to show this, that you take ABC, whole power 2021 is 2 power 4040 into A into B power 2021 into C. You have to show that.
Sir, M is 4 and P is 5.
Okay. Sheetal madam, there is one boy called Sai Venkat. He paid the fees, but he has not yet received admission number, madam.
Sir, sir, one doubt, sir. Like Kasi said, M is equals to 4 and P is equals to 5, sir. Is it correct?
Just I'll check it. And there's one boy Sai Venkat, I'll allow him.
Sir,
Just 1 minute, please. Yeah. Now, sir, tell me. Somebody want to tell values of L and M?
sir, we can write A square equals to minus 3A plus 2I, no, sir?
Yes, correct.
Then L equals to minus 4, M equals to 4, L equals to minus 5, M equals to 4, N equals to minus 6, and P equals to 5.
Okay. L and M, anybody want to tell any different answer? How to do is very simple. This A square plus 3A minus 2I equal to null matrix. I can write it as A square equal to minus 3A plus 2I. Multiply A on both sides. A into A square and A into minus 3A plus 2I. That is A cube. Here minus 3A square plus 2A. Okay, that is A cube. Now, in the place of A square, I can substitute which one? Minus 3A plus 2I. Minus 3 into minus 3A plus 2I plus 2A. That is 9A minus 3 minus 6I. 9A plus 2A, 11A. I think L and L you are telling is very small numbers. I'm already getting 9 here. Nine a plus 2a, 11a minus 6i. Is it okay? A cube is 11a minus 6i. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if I multiply
Sir,
a
how
again,
11A came, sir?
oh, this
9A
into this is
plus
9a plus another 2a is there here. Okay. 9a minus 6i plus 2a, which is 11a minus 6.
Sir, now I think we will multiply with a again. Sir.
Yes, yes, correct. If I multiply the a again, a into a cube is equal to a into 11a minus 6i. That is a power 4. This is 11a square minus 6a. Okay, a into a square, a into I is a. Here a into a is a square, a into I is a. Now again I'll substitute in the place of a square minus 3a plus 2a. Minus 6a. This is minus 33a plus 22i minus 6a. I think minus 39a plus 22, quite big numbers.
So L is minus 39 and
M is 20. Yes.
so someone is unmute.
Become-
Someone is unmute and
Okay. Some noise is coming. I think it is
Yes,
some
yes, sir.
street vendor near my house that is moving on the road.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, is AI is equal to IA?
Yeah, is correct. A and I are equal. Yes.
Sir, then we can directly square the A square, no, sir? Then
Directly
You can do
square a square. Yeah, it's okay. You can do that. You want to square it also, you should get same answer. Okay.
yes.
One way to do that, I'll try that also. I have place here. Let me try. This is one way. Or a power 4 is a square whole square. That is minus 3a plus 2i whole square. That is 9a square plus this into this is minus 12ai plus 4i square. I square is I only. 9 into, in the place of a square, I can write minus 3a plus 2i minus 12a plus 4i minus 27a plus 18i minus 12a plus 4i. This is minus 39a plus 22. Yes, you can do
Sir.
like it also.
Sir,
Okay. Yes, please.
sir, N is 139 and P is minus 17.
Okay. Minus 17, huh?
Minus 78.
78. Okay. Okay. So after finding this one, if you want a power 4, directly you can tell it by squaring it, and then you get same answer. Or you find a cube and then a power 4. Either way is fine, not a problem. Hi Venkat, you can join the class.
sir.
Okay. So this is the first question where this equation is given. Based on that, we have to find a power 4 in terms of a and I, a power 5 in terms of a and I. What are those integers? I'm asking. So this two I send to that side. Either you multiply a on both sides, you get a cube, and wherever a square is there, substitute this, and again multiply a on both sides, wherever a square is there, substitute that. If you don't want to do that, you can square it on both sides, and then you will get a square. In the place of a square, substitute that result back, simplify it. Okay, so you see through different questions, not only we should know the just definitions and theory, doing with different variety of questions also is very important. Strictly speaking, through this question, it's not that any new theory you are learning. It's just a matter of how to do a question. Okay, listen everybody. Any teacher or administration, when they send some message in the WhatsApp group, please follow the instructions carefully. Okay. For example, I said every day you should write date in the class notes. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
But when I'm checking the homework, I saw some people have written very nicely, but some people have not written dates. Okay. And every day when I'm starting, I'm asking you date and writing also. So that at least, not that sometimes I don't know the date. Sometimes I thought when I ask, at least you know that you have to write the date.
So was the class not supposed to conclude the work session work?
This is in class notes only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is one thing. Yes, please.
Sir, in second step, a into a square, I didn't understand.
I multiplied with a on both sides.
Yes, sir, a into minus 3a minus 3a square. A into 2a.
A into 2a is actually ai, but a into identity matrix is a only, no?
Sir?
Anything into identity matrix will get that matrix only, right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
That's how a into I became a. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
If you want, I wrote one more step. First you write a and the next step you write a, not an issue. Okay, it is very important that all of you please join 5 minutes before 11. All right. Otherwise, till 11:10, somebody other joining and somebody they'll ask what is this, what is that. Okay, it's very difficult. The class time will be wasted. And earlier also I sent all of you send your phone numbers to me. Most of you sent immediately, but at least 7-6 students I have to see in the list who has not sent. Again, send a request to them. Still they are not sent. I have to send to them personally. So please follow any messages given by teacher or administration in the group. Okay, it will save a lot of time for us. And one of the reasons, see, actually when you came to 11th and 12th, we are more focused that you should get a good mains and advanced rank. We expect some basic things, but some people are not following, so we have to do this. Taking class notes, why I have to do for 11th plus student, not required. But yesterday when I asked to submit, I found, some people are not writing nicely, some people are not kept dates. Some people, when I discuss two methods, they are writing method 1, they are not writing method 2, or something like that. Okay. If somebody is missing a class, it's your duty to, copy from your friends or something, or listen to the class once again if possible, and then take the notes. Sakshi, I hope whatever classes you missed, you have taken down those notes.
Yes, sir, I'll do.
I hope at least you left enough gap to write those notes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm arranging this down solution.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, I started to listen the classes from yesterday, sir. Can I start the class? Can I write the notes from today?
Today you can write, but leave around some 15 to 20 pages.
Okay, sir.
In the beginning. Okay. Later on, what is your roll number 34?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll send some details about what happened till now later on in WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I think you are from state syllabus. We thought you will attend later maybe. So a power 4 we got minus 39a plus 22i. Okay. So a power 5 is I multiply the a on both sides. So a into a power 4 A into minus 39A plus 22I, that is minus 39A square plus 22AI, that is A power 5. Minus 39, what is A square? 3 minus 3A plus 2I.
Plus 2y minus 3a.
Plus 22A. So I would have given little smaller numbers, but it's okay. What is 39 into 3? 120, 117, huh?
117, sir.
117.
117A minus 78I plus 22A. So finally, what is the answer?
139a minus
139
78i.
minus 78I.
139A minus 78. Yes.
78.
So now the answers are L is equal to minus 39, M is equal to 22, N equal
N
to
is equal to
139, P equal to
P is
minus
equal to
78.
minus 78.
Okay. Those are completed. I gave the next question. You can try that, or if somebody already got something about it you want to tell, feel free. And one more thing, in the group, when anytime anybody want to send a message, we generally send your name and admission number, so it's easy to refer. Okay. If you want to send to me personally, I don't need, because already all your numbers are there in my mobile. So when you send, I can see. But in general, in the group, if you send, other teachers or administration should be able to recognize. Okay, everybody completed this first question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
IA will not become I, Srilata. It will become A. AI or IA. What is identity matrix? I said you take any matrix and multiply with 1, 0, 0, 1 or similar identity matrix, you'll get that matrix only. Okay. So A into I is also A. I into A is also A. Is that okay, Srilata?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, this question may looks like, what is this higher ABC whole for 2021, big powers. Frankly, some question looks very big, but actually it is not, they will not be very big. Okay. Anybody got some idea about how to proceed with this question?
Sir,
First we should take simple
can we
power like
bring
square.
B to one side?
We'll talk about that. Yes, somebody else want to say something?
If we experiment with ABC, like ABC cube or ABC to the power of 4, then we might get some ideas, sir.
Okay, but B is not given to us. If B is given to us, yes, I would have agreed with what you said.
Sir, actually,
Yeah, you can.
few sums, right? Like A is equals to I plus B.
Yeah, that is yesterday we have done that type of question where if ABC together is one matrix, and that can be written as I plus B, right?
Yes.
Okay. But anyway, because we don't know purposely, I wanted to give B1 matrix also, but I thought if I give that, everybody will multiply all three and they'll do it. Without doing that also, it is possible. That's the reason I gave this question. Let us start with ABC whole power 2021. I think everybody knows you cannot write A power 2021, B power 2021, C power. That is not correct to write. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But you can write this as ABC into ABC into ABC into ABC. Like that, how many times? 2021 times. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
I cannot change the order. Okay, AB not equal to BA here because we don't even know B to conclude anything. But still, associative law, if I use it, A is there, B is there, C is there, again A, again B, again C, again A, again B, again C, again A, again B, again C. At the last one ABC, before that one ABC, lot. Okay. So I have to write A into B into C again. Okay. So now, according to associative law, I don't have to multiply these two first. I can multiply these two first also. So I'm going to combine this C and A, combine this C and A, combine this C and A. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Maybe I'll write that in the next step. Okay. Let me simply write A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, dot, 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 A, B, C, and A, B, C, and A, B, C. Next, I'm going to write this as A, B, and C. Again B, again C, again B, again C, again some B, some CA, B, CA, and B and C. Okay. Now, many places I got CA product. Here I got CA product. I don't know B, but I know C and A. Can somebody multiply C and A? Tell me what will come?
Sir, 4004.
Yes. So before this, I want to write. Yeah. Yes, correct. CA 10 minus 4 2 into 2 4 4 10 is equal to 4004, which is 4 into 1001, which is 4i. Okay. So I am going to replace this with 4i. A, B, 4i, again B, 4i, again B, 4i. Here B, here 4i, here B, here 4i, here B, here C. Okay. Anybody want to tell me when I wrote CA1 bracket like this, CA1 bracket, CA1 bracket, how many times I got like that?
2021 times.
2021 times.
Is it 2021 times or 2020 times?
2020 times.
2020 times.
Okay. As somebody said in the beginning, instead of taking a big number, take a small number, so you'll get a better feel of that. That's very nice. That is, I'll take only ABC whole cube. I'll get ABC into ABC into ABC. Then I got CA once and twice only. So when I took power 3, I got CA only 2 times, one less than that. If I take one more ABC, that is power 4, I got CA 3 times only. Like that, I can understand when it is 2021, the number of CAs are not 2000. It is 2020. Okay. So I am going to take all these numbers out. Numbers can be borrowed outside. Okay. So I am going to write it as 4 power 2020. A, B, this will become I, B again I, B again I, B again I, B again I, and B and C. But B into identity matrix is B. B into identity matrix is B. This is all product only. So 4 power 2020 A, B into I is B, again B into I is B, again B into I is B, again B into I is B, B into I is B, and C. Okay, these B's are total 2021 only. Why? These are 2021, extra B is there here. Or you can say there is a B here, there is a B here, there is a B here, there is a B like the 2021 times. And they all came side by side now because nothing in between. Whatever is in between two B's, it became identity matrix. So you can multiply. So that's it. Question is over. 4 power 2020. I can write 4 as 2 square. 2 square whole power 2020. And E. You can see when you multiply all the B's, it is B power 2021 C. That's hence 2. That's what we want. 2 A power M whole power N is A power Mn. You can write 2 power 4. I think I can write here and so the answer is done. This is 2 square whole power 2020. This is 4 power 4040.
Sir, 2 power.
2 power 4.
2 power. Yeah, 2 power 40.
Sir,
Yes,
we
please.
have also one specialty, sir. CA and AC commute, sir.
Yeah, correct. Even though we did not use it here, but here they commute. Yes, you are right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, the question may look in the beginning, how are we going to start it? But actually, the main point of this is C into A or even A into C basically is 4 times identity matrix. I can make I would have wanted, I can make a question where AB will be, CA will come identity matrix itself. But I thought even taking this number common, you should see. Okay, so basically, even though I spent a lot of time on multiplication of matrices, I want you to see that we can have very simple questions. Even within the simple concept of multiplication, we can have more complicated questions also. Okay. I'm sure some people will feel that, some questions you are able to understand and when I'm explaining, but when you do on your own, some questions you may not be getting idea. It will happen like that in the beginning, but over a time, we'll be able to do it. Mukund, ABC, not Mukund. Mukund only you sent me in WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
ABC equal to 4B, that statement will be wrong. Even though it looks like we got the answer, see, when you multiply A into B into C, can you multiply this A and C directly? No, right?
No, sir.
Yeah. So even though you proved AC is 4i correct, CA equal to 4i correct, within ABC we will not be able to use it because in between B's there you cannot change the order because we don't have any commutative law. ABC is not same as ACB or not same as BAC. You cannot change the order. Okay.
Okay.
Associative law only tells you can write AB first and this C on the right side or BC first, A on the left side, but we don't have any other.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So sometimes it's quite possible that we may get the answer, but our solution may not be fully correct because of, Yes. So that is an advantage. The disadvantage with everything has an advantage and disadvantage. Okay. For example, some people may say IIT if the subjective exam it is better where you can write solutions. Objective exam is somebody will keep randomly and it may be correct, you will get rank. Okay. Yeah, there are always pros and cons. That one thing is we don't have a choice. Can we change the pattern of mains or advanced?
No.
Okay. If you cannot change it, better not to argue, just live with it, whatever is there. That's the first thing. Second thing is, yes, subjective exam has a lot of advantages. We need a lot of teachers to correct. And somebody tries a different method, whether the teacher will understand, depends on the teacher, right? And another problem with subjective exam is, it is difficult to cover all the 30 chapters in maths at the end of 2 years in a subjective exam. Okay, that is why I want to keep a test for 2 hours. And if I give 30 questions with a full advanced level and to write solutions, time will not be sufficient. So they have to miss some topics. Whereas an objective exam, it is possible to cover all the topics.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, Ascent fortnightly examinations are objective or subjective, sir?
No, subjective will keep it once in a while only for the purpose of board exam. All are objective.
Sir, now these questions are there, no, sir.
Yes.
When you teach, we understood, sir, but without teaching, how can we know this process we have to?
That is exactly the whole purpose of coaching is for this. Not you can see it's not just few definitions and you know how to multiply matrices. The more you do this type of questions, you'll get a better understanding of the multiplication, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we actually do is we that means basically we are trying to save your time. That's all. We are not doing anything special. All the years we are teaching, we have seen past year mains questions, past year advanced questions, so many books we have seen and all that. So all the things which are covered earlier, okay, the related theory, related questions, we'll try to cover all the models in the class. So with this hint, I'm sure now if I give a similar question like this, you'll not be scared to start the question and you'll be able to do it mostly. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's the purpose. So now if something different comes, what to do? No, nothing. It is just a little extension of this way, that way only. Mostly it will be similar to one of the things that we taught or one of the things that we given in our material.
Sir, this is the sample paper question of the mains, sir.
Yeah,
Like-
both mains and advanced. I think I covered most of the models which are given in based on multiplication of matrices, whatever given in mains or advanced text. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in matrices chapter, multiplication of matrices, most of the questions will come, sir.
No. Next, we are going to discuss about transpose. A lot of questions will come from that. Next, we are going to discuss determinants. A lot of questions will come from that. Every small topic is important. We cannot say, because see, let's say in JEE mains exam, out of 30 questions, only one question comes from matrices. 1 year they will give on multiplication, 1 year they will give on determinant, 1 year they will give on some system of equations. So it's difficult to say that. But we should be ready for every small concept. Okay. Because you know, every 1 mark or one question is equal to 4 marks, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And if it is wrong, negative marking, 1 mark will be gone. Sir.
Yeah. Yes, correct. So now with a little common sense, okay. Let us say you have in a mains exam, you have to attempt 25 questions in each subject. Okay. And this is for 100 marks. This is for 100 and this is for 100.
Yes,
So
sir.
maximum marks will be 300, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us say somebody get worst marks. You got all wrong. What is the lowest marks that somebody can get?
Sir, negatives.
Minus 25. Minus 20.
Yeah, actually 5 of these questions doesn't have negative marking numerical. So only 20 questions have negative. Minus 20, minus 20, minus 20, minus 60.
Minus
So
60.
everybody marks have to be between minus 60 and 300, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us say 10 lakh people write the exam. Okay. And everybody marks are between 300 and minus 60. Okay. So if there is a 1 mark difference between 2 students, how many ranks difference will come?
Sir, many ranks.
Thousands.
Many
Okay.
ranks.
Okay. So everyday marks are these numbers only. Minus 62 to that is around 360 numbers. Let us I'll give it as 400 numbers. Okay. Everyday marks have to be this number, this number, this number, 400. So 400 numbers and 10 lakh people. Either a 10 lakh or 1 lakh.
Sir, 10
10
lakh.
That's only, sir.
Okay. So what is 10 lakh by 400? 2 zeros and
2,500.
2,500 ranks for
Okay.
1 mark.
So if 2 students marks difference is only 1 mark, their rank difference will be 2,500. That is the ideal condition. Okay. What if one question wrong? Because 1 mark wrong means what? One question wrong means what? The difference of 5 marks. Plus 4 versus minus 1. So if you can, one question goes wrong, what is the difference of the ranks?
Sir, 25,000.
5 into 2,500.
5 into, sir, 125.
12,500.
Yes, sir, 12,500. 125.
So you can see what is the importance of each and every concept. So these 2 years, right from the beginning, every chapter, every small point that physics teacher tell or chemistry teacher tell or math teacher tell in any track is very, very important, because if a question comes by chance based on that concept, All right. And somehow you could not do versus another student. Just because of one question, your rank can vary by 12,500. Right? Okay. That is one thing. And one more thing, this 2,500 is not correct. You know why? Do you think this many people will get 300 marks?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And do you think this many people will get minus 60 marks?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. That means the chance that those who get completely full marks, completely negative marks is very less. Okay, so it is not even 400. It may be 300. It may be 250. Most people marks will be between something between 40 and 250. Let us say. I don't think, or let us say 20 and 250. Somebody will attempt at least 3-4 questions and they'll get some 20 marks. Okay, so it is effectively only some a bracket of 200 marks. Okay, if we divide it 200 instead of that 400, per one mark it will be 5,000 rank, and 5 times that 25,000. So just because of a single question, your rank can jump from 25,000 to 50,000.
Sir?
Am I correct? Yes, please.
Sir, for IIT Hyderabad rank margin, sir?
Frankly, two things I don't want you to worry about these 2 years. Okay, what marks, what rank will come, what rank, what seat will come. Don't worry about these two. Okay, what you have to do is do as best as you can. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. I think these two topics discussion is waste at this time. After you get rank, or at least your first mains exam is over, we'll see about what happens. But till that time, you just learn the subject. So you don't have to worry about all these things in a sense. My point is, I'm just giving importance that every small concept plays a major role in your final performance. So be careful right from the beginning. Okay. And another thing I want to tell is, don't think these are online classes. We are only teaching 4 hours. We are not serious or something like that. No. When I'm teaching maths and determinants, I am trying to cover everything at full intermediate level, mains level, and advanced level. Okay. Again, I will not get a chance to teach maths and determinants for 20 days like this. At the second year end, I may revise for 2 days. Okay. So whatever I teach now, that's it. So I have to teach thoroughly. All right, enough. A lot of time is spent on this. So we'll go further. Okay, listen. Lot of definitions and all, purposely I am not writing to save the time. They are there in our mains material textbook. Okay. Next topic, please listen. Don't write what I am telling now till I say. Transpose of a matrix. What is transpose? You take a matrix, interchange rows and columns. Okay. First row of matrix, make it first column. Second row, make it second column. First column, make it first row. For example, take a matrix 5, 7, 9, 3, 4, 2. Try to write a new matrix where the first row here should become first column. 5, 7, 9. It will be 5, 7, 9 like this. 3, 4, 2. 3, 4, 2. So first row became first column, second row became second column. You can also see automatically as the first column became first row.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second column became second row, and third column became third row. Third row. Okay. So if this is matrix A, we call this as A power T. We'll write it, but read it as A transpose. Sometimes we'll write A dash. Whether we write A power T or A dash, we read it as A transpose. This and this we read it as A transpose. That is, you interchange rows and columns. Okay. How they define is, they say A transpose ij element will be A ji element. If somebody wants to
number
know
of columns and number of rows are interchanged.
Yes, exactly. The order is 2 by 3 here. Here order will be 3 by 2. If this order is m by n, this order will be n by n. Okay. And look at this. If somebody wants in this, let us say this is a bigger matrix. Let us say original matrix is 7 by 9 matrix and the new matrix is 9 by 7. If you want to know third row, second element here in the transpose, it is which element is the original matrix?
Second row,
Second row, third column.
Yeah, it will be second row, third column, right? That is exactly this. A ij element in the transpose matrix will be nothing but A ji in the original matrix. So I can say theoretically, interchange rows and columns will get a transpose matrix, or I can simply write this much, that ijth element of the new matrix will be jith of the matrix element of the original matrix. So this is the definition of transpose. That's very simple. Okay, so when you transpose it, the order will change, reverses. But if it is a square matrix, the transpose also will have same order, but the elements will change. For example, if a square matrix is 5, 9, 4, 2, 3, 7, 1, 4, 2. Let me give some other numbers. Let us say -3. Okay. What is the transpose of this?
5 to 1.
5 to 1, 9, 3,
9, 3
4, 7,
minus 3. 4, 7.
Okay, so this is A and this is A transpose. Both have same order. Okay. Even though I transpose rows and columns, I interchange them, some elements did not change their places. What are they?
Two, three, one, one.
Yes, so diagonal elements doesn't change their places even though you transpose it. Yes. Next, do you find though other elements which are changed? Can you see how they change their places?
Yes, sir. Upper triangular elements.
Upper triangle elements became the lower triangle elements.
Yes, exactly. Good observation. Good.
Those become
It is like finding mirror image with respect to diagonal.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Just 1 minute, I'm drinking some water. Yeah, so this 5, it is here only. This 3, it is here only. This 2, it is here only. So they did not change. Diagonal element doesn't change their places because diagonal elements are A11, A22, A33. Even if you bring this here, position doesn't change. A11 will remain as A11. Okay. But this is A12 and this is A21. 12 becomes 21 and 21 becomes 12. So this 9 will come here, this 2 will come here. This 1 will come here, this 4 will come here. This -3 will come here, this 7 will come here. So it is like with respect to this went here, this went here, like mirror image with respect to the diagonal. Is it clear about transpose?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay, you take a matrix 2, 3, 5 and some 7, 9, 2. You know its transpose is 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2. Okay, this is A. This is A transpose. When I transpose this, what will happen?
We get the same A matrix.
Yes, sir.
So can I say then A transpose whole transpose is equal to A?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So if you
sir.
transpose once and again once you transpose, you get original matrix. Next, let us say I have two matrices, this one and this is some 1, 0, 2 or 2, 1, 3. And what is that? This is A, this is B, and this is A plus B. And I add them, I'll get 3, 3, 7, and 9, 10, 5. Okay. If I transpose A and transpose B and add them, will I get transpose of that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Because this will become 235792.
plus B transpose.
This will become 102213, and what I will get is 3931075. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is transpose of that. So I am not saying, just with this example, I proved to you that A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. I am not saying that, but I want to give a. It's not that these numbers matters. I can give you A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I want to get a feel that it is actually true. That is, first you add them and then interchange rows and columns, or before adding only interchange rows and columns separately and then add them, it will be same. Okay. I can write a proof, the ijth element of this will be jith element of this, and then do all that. Okay. Apart from the example, let me give an explanation for this proof. You don't have to worry about the proof, but I want to give explanation. A plus B whole transpose ijth element of this. If I want ijth element of this, can I say in A plus B, it will be jith element?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And jith element in A plus B is nothing but in A jith element and in B jith element. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And jith element in A is nothing but in A transpose ijth element and in B transpose ijth element. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is exactly in A transpose plus B transpose ijth element. So I proved that ijth element of this is same as ijth element of this. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's how we can write the proof. Okay. Purposely, I'm not spending some time because after doing some questions, you will be able to understand this. Otherwise, some people may get confused. That is one thing. In IP, they're not asking the proofs, but you should have an idea. Okay. Now, is it possible to multiply A and A transpose? Can I multiply them?
So only if they're square matrices.
No, sir. Only the.
Are you sure, or always I can multiply?
Any matrix, no.
Sir, only one columns and rows.
See,
Any
that is not
matrix,
a, any matrix. If this is M by N, what is the order of A transpose?
Will be
N by N, sir.
N into N.
So is the number of columns here, number of rows here matching or not every time?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, so A need not be square matrix. A can be any matrix. A into A transpose is possible. Even A transpose into A is also possible because this will be
N
M
into
by
M
M.
is equal to M into N.
M by N, yes. This final order may be M by N. This final order may be N by N. Order may be different of this product, but this exists every time. This exists every time, and both are square matrices. A need not be square matrix, but A into A transpose is always a square matrix, and A transpose into A is also always square matrix. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, this proof, I'll give you some idea, but before the proof, let us talk about it. AB whole transpose equal to A transpose into B transpose. Don't write this. This is not correct. It's a very simple example I'll give you. Many times this product is possible. This is not even possible. Let us say this A is 2 by 3 order and this B is 3 by 5. A transpose, what is the order?
Sir, A transpose.
3
by
cross 2.
3 by 2.
3 by
5 2. And this one 5 by 3.
5 by 3.
Here
Which
these
is
two are
not
equal.
possible.
Yeah, number of
Product
columns
is
here
also
equal to
not
number of
possible.
rows. Yeah, it is. This multiplication is possible, but this product doesn't exist.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, that's why AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose into
A transpose. It is not just about the order. I'll give you some idea. Okay. It is B transpose into A transpose. At least the order will match. Let us see. If we take A order 2 by 3, B order 3 by 5. What is AB order? 2 by 5.
Yes, sir.
And what is AB whole transpose order? 5 by 2.
5 by 2.
Yes,
5 by
sir.
2.
B transpose alone is 5 by 3. A transpose alone 3 by 2. These two are same. The order will be 5 by 2. You can say this is also 5 by 2 matrix. This is also 5 by 2 matrix. At least the order is matched, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll give you some idea about how it is correct, not just order. Just because two matrices have same order, I cannot say they are same matrices, right? Okay. Now let us take somebody. If somebody got unmuted, please mute yourself. Let's say in AB whole transpose, I want a third row, fifth element. Let us say that means third row, fifth column, that element. Okay. Can I say it is equal to in matrix AB, fifth row, third element?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you multiply two matrices, in the final product, you want fifth row, third column, that element if you want. How will you get that? You have to take fifth row here, third column here and multiply. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So I am going to write this as, just listen, don't write. Fifth row of A into third column of B. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fifth row of A into third column of B, corresponding element multiply and add them. That's how we get it. But fifth row of A, can I write it as fifth column of A transpose?
A transpose. Yes, sir.
And the third column of B, I can write it as third
Third
row.
of B transpose.
Yes. Now product only. I can write this first and this later. So that is same as third row of B transpose into fifth row of A transpose. You are multiplying two matrices. You are taking third row here, fifth column here.
Column of A transpose.
Third row and this is fifth column. Thank you. This is fifth column. Yeah. So third row of B transpose and fifth row of A column. Fifth column of A transpose. Can I say it is B transpose A transpose in the third row, fifth element? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we see what we started with and what we ended with. The third row, fifth element of this is same as third row, fifth element of this. Similarly, I can write I here, J here, I here, J here. Every time they will come equal. So that means what? Not just order. Every element of this is equal to corresponding element here. Means they are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So AB whole transpose equal to B transpose, A transpose is correct. So I give some explanation. We'll also try to write it in a proper way. Okay, let us say if I give ABC whole transpose, anybody want to guess what is going to come? Answer?
CBA.
C transpose, B transpose.
It will be C transpose, B transpose, and A transpose. If you want to prove it, okay. See, today I'll explain some points. Tomorrow, when I start the class, I'll give the proper notes. Okay, I just want to explain informally.
Okay, sir.
This ABC whole transpose account associative, I can write A into BC whole transpose. Okay.
Yes,
Now I can use this formula whenever only two things are there. I don't have any formula for three things. Whenever only two things are there, I can always write transpose of the second one into transpose of the first one. Okay. So it will become BC whole transpose, the second one transpose, and then A whole transpose. First, second transpose, next first one. But BC whole transpose, I can use this formula again. Interchange, that is C transpose.
Will be C transpose, B transpose, and A transpose.
Okay. Now, anybody has any doubt from this step to this step?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And from here to here?
No, sir.
No. Okay. If somebody doesn't want to do this, you can also write this as AB first, then C on the right side, whole transpose. Then first C transpose will come, next AB whole transpose will come. Okay, this second one and this first one. And AB whole transpose is first B transpose,
next A.
Okay. Would you like to guess what will come ABCD whole transpose?
D transpose,
D transpose, B transpose,
D transpose, next D transpose, next D transpose, next A transpose. Okay. Let us see, is this statement correct? A square whole transpose is A transpose whole square. First you square a matrix, then you transpose it, or first you transpose it, then you square it, will it be same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You want to give any explanation why? Anyone want to give an explanation?
Is equals to 80 into 80
Yes.
is equal to 80 whole square.
Yes, correct. You simply take this formula. In the place of A and B, I can take X and Y. I can take P and Q. I can take any matrices, right? It's always true. I'm going to take B as A. Then what did we get? What is A into A?
A square.
A square.
A square whole
A
transpose
square.
is A transpose into A transpose. Can I write A transpose whole square?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us take one example. 5, 3, 7, 3, 2, 9, 7, 9, 4. If I transpose this, what will come?
Sir, 5,
5, 3,
5, 3, 7,
3, 7,
3, 7,
3, 2,
3, 2,
9,
9,
9,
7,
7.
9, 4.
9, 4.
7, 9.
But this is a
It is same as original matrix.
matrix. Symmetric matrix.
Yes,
sir.
correct.
Metric matrix.
Even when you transpose it, we got the original matrix. Why it happened is first row is same as first column. So even if you interchange, nothing happened.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Second row is same as second column. So even if you interchange, nothing happened. Third row is same as third column. So nothing happened when you interchange. Or another way of saying is this element and this element are same. This will come here, this will come here, no change. This will come, when you transpose, this will come here, this will come here. If you make them, they are equal. Then even if you transpose, nothing happens. Right? Okay. So there are some matrices, not all. There are some matrices, even if you transpose, they don't change. That is A transpose equal to A. A transpose equal to A. That is A ij element will be always same as A ji element. That kind of matrix is called a symmetric matrix. Okay, anyway, I'm not giving any notes. Tomorrow I'll discuss. I don't want to extend. We'll stop. Thank you very much.
Sir, tomorrow we'll give transpose matrix notes.
Sir?
Tomorrow I'll give the notes.